My name is Troy Ancona. I'm the site manager at the Joshua Chamberlain Museum, and I am standing next to the saddle of Joshua Chamberlain. And for those who really know him, it was used on Charlemagne. It's a McClellan saddle, something that he used through the war. The blanket that's underneath it would have been probably the end of the war after he was brevetted to Major General. He would have had this saddle likely through Gettysburg, the Gettysburg campaign. A lot of times the movies have him walking up the Little Round Top, he's actually riding. And he would have had this at Petersburg, June 18th of 1864, when, according to his account, he was on Charlemagne. Artillery fire came in and wounded Charlemagne in the flank. It's at that point that he proceeded on foot. The horse in the saddle would have proceeded to the rear. Chamberlain continues forward, and not long after would receive what was believed to be mortal wounds through the hip, which prompted General Grant's promotion on the field to Brigadier General. He would have had this at Appomattox. So if you can picture, as the Confederates are marching in, Chamberlain does his famous call to carry arms, and as he's seated on this saddle on Charlemagne, and General Gordon from the south returns the salute, according to Gordon, by spurring his horse, dipping his sword to his boot. There's a lot of stories involving Appomattox with this saddle.
Thanks for watching. And don't miss a single episode as we delve into the fascinating history of Maine's role in the Civil War. Please like and subscribe now.